Welcome to WSH-PEER, the training platform designed to make skill development seamless and rewarding. Let's explore how you can transform your learning experience. Simply log in with your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once inside, you'll see your dashboard. The All Courses tab gives you access to our entire course enrolled to you, so you can expand your knowledge portfolio. You can easily find courses assigned to you that you haven't started yet in the Not Started section. In the Completed section, you can explore all your achievements in finished courses. The In Progress tab helps you track your active learning journey and pick up right where you left off. When you're ready to learn, just click on a course. This will help you enhance your professional skills with engaging content. Selecting the Learn option takes you directly to the course content to deepen your understanding. Simply advance to the next section to continue your learning journey. For a completed course, you can showcase your expertise by accessing your earned certificate of completion. You can even save your achievement for your professional portfolio or profiles. Secure your credentials in either PDF or image format, so they're ready to share with employers or to add to your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for exploring. We hope this video has shown you how WSH-PEER can help you learn and grow, ready to make an impact. Let's go.